Metplast's layer cages are meticulously crafted to deliver exceptional results for poultry farmers. With features like uniform feed distribution, our system ensures consistent nutrition, reducing waste. Designed with a multi-tier option, it maximizes utilization for improved efficiency. Our cages are designed with an increased box height, ensuring maximum comfort for your birds. Metplast Industries' automatic manure removal system. Our advanced manure removal system ensures efficient waste management, maintaining a cleaner environment for your birds. Metplast Industries' automatic egg collection system. Our egg collection system is designed to ensure efficiency and care at every step. With a gentle transport mechanism, it minimizes damage, protecting the quality of every egg. Precision engineering guarantee smooth operation and long-term reliability. Metplast Industries silos. We provide silos as per your farm needs. Metplast's environmental control system. Metplast offers advanced EC systems for poultry farms, ensuring precision management with modern controllers and panels.